Hello, my merchant wordians.
Merchant Wordians, where you at?
What's up?
How's my beer looking, Mark?
I love it, Tommy.
Love it. I'm
A
trying to
new
get to
you.
George status. We'll see if I can get there.
It's a new you, my friend.
New me, baby.
For
All
those
right.
out there, a little inside joke. Tommy has tasked himself with growing a George-like beard.
It is true. I will get there.
We will get there.
Get
But
there.
today, we've got some exciting things, and we are sorry for keeping you on hold for a little bit. You may have seen some changes. We want to just hop on real quick to talk about them, show you a little something, something, and hopefully give you a little tips and tricks along the way. All right.
Absolutely. Let's
So
do it.
I'm gonna lead the charge today. So thanks, Tommy, for indulging me.
Absolutely.
All right. So let's hop in. All right. So let's say that I want to sell organizers, specifically a clothes organizer. So a lot of cool stuff here, right? Pretty decent search volumes. And I think this is good enough for me, right? There's a lot of terms here.
Mhm.
I'm just going to save these for later. And so you'll notice there's a new little menu here, a little item here on the left here. And so what we can do is start and select these. And these are what we call collections. So collections is this top menu item here. And I'm going to actually just go ahead and create one. Clothes organizer. So I've just added all of the keywords from this page to this collection. All right, now it's saved. And here it is, clothes organizer. But I'm not done. I want to see if I can find some Spanish keywords for clothes organizer.
Mhm.
Ah, okay, cool. Check this out. So I just hopped over onto Spain, and we've got a little translation for you. 109 keywords found. There are 14 in this list here, so people are searching in English in Spain, but this is probably the way to go. So let's make that translation. Pretty cool. 109 terms, and I'm going to throw these in because I want to see if I could maybe run an ad campaign in Spanish.
Yep.
Have you done that yet, Tommy?
I have, and it's turning out pretty good. So still working on it, but still refining a bit, as always when you're doing some PPC campaigns. But they're what is it? I think Spanish is probably, isn't it the most spoken language in the U.S. now, or is it
Yep.
is it still second to English?
It is. It's second to English, but it's fastest growing.
Hmm. So
So
it would behoove you to add some of those Spanish keywords into your Amazon US ad campaigns. Maybe segment it and make it, so it's organized. Just title it your Spanish keywords, and then for your ASIN or product or whatever.
check this out. 40 US keywords in Spanish.
Beautiful. Those that
What?
that that smells like sales to me, Mark.
Let's go get some sales.
Let's get
All
some
right,
sales.
check it out. Wow, 5,800 searches. Not too shabby.
And if I have some ancillary sales rolling in from my Spanish keywords, I mean it's sales I didn't have, right?
I mean, don't forget these are customers, right? Just because
Yep,
they don't need to speak English doesn't mean their dollars aren't good.
that's right.
All right, so I'm gonna actually select these and add them. So here's my little convenience item here. So these are all the collections that I've created. So clothes organizers there. I'm just gonna click on that. I'm just gonna grab all these keywords and add them to the list.
Hmm.
Cool. Now they're done.
Boom.
So I've got some more. I'm still not done yet though. I feel like there's still some stuff that we can
You're
eke
not
out,
done?
right? I feel like there's still
Still
some stuff
going?
we can find.
All right.
Oh, let's go here. Okay, so page one products. All right, so this has been around for a little bit, but the cool thing is now you can hop right in, right? And this is that same term, organizador de ropa.
Hmm.
And check it out. These are all the products that show up for this keyword. So these folks are being indexed for organizador de ropa.
Now,
Or your-
while you're here, Mark, if our users do not know how to do this yet, how would I go ahead and find that top ASINs keywords that they're actually ranking for?
Oh, yeah. Good point. So these little things right here are text links, these ASINs. So this one actually looks like a pretty good one, 1433 reviews. I'm gonna see what kind of keywords we can find. So I clicked on the link. Whoa. 11,609 times this thing has showed up on page one search.
Nice.
That's pretty good.
So that means
Remember,
you do want to add some of these keywords into a campaign if you can.
you know, it can't hurt, right? Because look, it's
If we're selling a closet organizer or
right.
yeah, whatever this thing is, right?
So I'm just gonna grab all these keywords, and I'm gonna add them to my clothes organizer section again. All right. So that collection's been updated with terms from Spain, with terms from the US, with Spanish language terms, and with reverse ASIN terms.
Mm-hmm.
Let's take a look at that list. Here you are,
Very nice.
all ready for you. And since we know you folks know and love our CSV downloads, you can just take that list and download it right here. Grab it and download it. All right. So what else we got, Tommy?
And I mean, if you wanted to create your own collection just for Spanish keywords or German keywords or Japanese keywords, wherever you're selling at, you can segment those by languages if you like.
Yep, totally.
If it's going to definitely bring some traffic to your listing.
Yeah, so you can be as organized as you want.
That's
all you right. Yep. Shout out to all the type A's out there. All right. So, cool little thing we're working on that I want to show you. Keyword multiplier. Mm-hmm. So what we've got here, let's see. Let's actually see if we can find a synonym for organizer. All right, so I want to expand my list.
A synonym, and it's what this is even good for is maybe finding some items in here that you did not know might be complementary to your product. You know, maybe you can bundle with a certain item that you find in here as well.
Yeah, I mean, clothes organizer and bathroom organizer.
There you go. You can be the organizer king on Amazon. King or queen.
Check it out. That's actually pretty healthy.
Nice.
All right. So it's a bunch of, so just wanted to show you there's a bunch of convenience links here because let's say, okay, we want to be a little bit more specific, right? Because we're savvy sellers, right? So we can look and say, okay, well, the bathroom sink organizer is actually the one that I want to target, right? So we can from here jump into a page one search. And remember, this is all Amazon data, right? So if it shows up on page one, we're grabbing it in and we're highlighting all these ASINs, right? Where keywords lead to sales. So let's look at this one, 1193. 1,193 reviews, should be pretty healthy amount. Boom.
Nice.
The largest list of reverse ASIN terms out there. I promise you.
That's right.
That's
how we do.
I love it when you call me big data.
That's right.
All right. So that's it. Start clicking around, start playing around. Like we built this thing to be, to be kind of have all these little loops and, clicks and, like for you to dig and find those opportunities. And when you found them, you can save them.
Mm-hmm.
But that's just the beginning. So we're just getting started. Appreciate y'all sticking around. If you need any help with anything, Tommy, me, the rest of the team, we're here to help.
We are here. But Mark, wait a minute. What is that PPC down there? We don't have to click into it, but hey, this is some gold, baby. All my Seinfeld fans out there. It's gold, Jerry. This is going to get real granular on when you start creating some product targeting ads, and this is going to help you so much. I mean, I cannot wait till we roll this out.
If y'all want to test this, if y'all want to help beta test this, drop us a line. We're accepting applications till probably late July, early August 2019. Mm-hmm. We are interested in helping you propel your sales through this new way of advertising on Amazon. Think of it as long tail product targeting.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
We'll just leave it at that.
Uh-huh. All right. Well, there you have it. Sorry for the long wait on everything, but we promise you lots of really cool stuff to come now that we've got a big, nice, clean playground to play with at
Yes.
Merchant Words. All right, Merchant Wordians, be awesome today. Tommy, thanks for joining us, as always.
Absolutely. Thank you, everyone out there. And again, like Mark said, please reach out to us if you are confused on anything. It is our job to make sure that your Amazon selling journey is very, very easy and that we're very helpful to it. So please reach out to us anytime.
All right, be awesome, people.
Be awesome.